How to fix the Instagram Messenger update not showing or not working. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First, open Instagram and then tap on the profile picture on the bottom right corner. From there, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy and then tap on account center. Wait for the page to load up. Once it does, tap on accounts. From there, tap on add accounts. If you see your account right there, tap on continue. If you don't, tap on not you and then continue in logging in. I see it, so I tap on continue and then I tap on yes, add the account. From here, I quit Instagram and I head out to the Messenger app. Once I open it, tap on the three lines in the top left corner and then tap on the gear icon right here. Now from here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on see more in account center and then tap on profiles. Tap on the profile that you have chosen earlier and then from here tap on it again. Now tap on this switch right here to turn on synchronization. Now quit the Messenger app and long tap on the Instagram app. Tap on app info to go to your app settings. Tap on clear data and then clear all data. Just like that, once you log back into Instagram, the problem should be solved, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.